As India pushes towards its ambitious renewable energy targets, the solar industry is booming and many leading manufacturers have gone public to raise capital and expand operations. In this video, we'll take a close look at 5 of the biggest solar panel makers in India that are traded on the stock markets. As of February 2024, India's installed solar power capacity stood at over 75.57 gigawatts. With this context, let's now profile the 5 leading listed solar panel makers in India. 1. Urja Global Ltd, a renewable energy developer and operator primarily engaged in the design, consultancy, integration, supply, installation, commissioning, and maintenance of off-grid and grid-connected solar power plants. Established in 1992, headquartered in New Delhi, a market cap 1,128 crore rupees as of April 2024. A product portfolio includes batteries, inverters, solar power packs, and electric vehicles. A major supplier of solar products and solutions across India. Financial highlights of Urja Global Ltd. Total income 11.50 crore rupees, Q3 2023 to 2024. A profit after tax 1.53 crore rupees, period ending March 23rd. Debt to equity ratio negligible, around 0.0194. Next, we have Tata Power Solar, a subsidiary of the renowned Tata Power Company Limited, one of India's largest integrated power companies. Tata Power Solar is a leading solar energy solutions provider, offering a comprehensive range of services, including manufacturing solar cells and modules, project development, and system integration. A manufacturing facilities in Bengaluru, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. A cumulative solar project portfolio of over 11.5 GWP. Exports solar modules to over 30 countries globally. Financial highlights of Tata Power Solar in FY22. Revenue 42,576 crore. Profit after tax 2,156 crore rupees. A market cap 137,879 crore rupees as of April 2024. Moving on, we have INDOSOLAR Ltd, an India-based company engaged in manufacturing solar photovoltaic, PV, cells, and modules. INDOSOLAR operates through the manufacturing of solar cells segment and provides PV modules for residential, commercial, and utility-scale installations. Established in 2005, headquartered in Mumbai. Manufacturing facilities in Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh. A global footprint spanning over 30 countries across Europe, the US, the Middle East, and Asia. Offers multicrystalline and monocrystalline solar modules. Financial highlights of INDOSOLAR Ltd. Total income 19.05 crore. Profit after tax negative 5.03 crore in 4th consecutive quarter. Market cap 122.78 crore rupees. Despite facing challenges in recent years, INDOSOLAR remains a notable player in the Indian solar manufacturing industry with total revenue growth of 39.68% after remaining in negative in last 4 years. Next, we have Waaree Energies Ltd, a leading solar energy solutions provider in India. Waaree Energies is engaged in the manufacturing of solar photovoltaic modules, as well as offering engineering, procurement, and construction (EPC) services for solar power projects. Key facts: established in 2003, headquartered in Mumbai. Manufacturing facilities in Gujarat and Surat. Annual production capacity of 12 gigawatts. The presence across 20 countries and 359 districts in India. Financial highlights of Waaree Energies Ltd. Total revenue 6,860.36 crore in FY23. Profit after tax 501 crore rupees. A market cap 48,065 crore rupees as of April 2024. Waaree Energies has carved a niche for itself in the Indian solar industry, leveraging its manufacturing capabilities and EPC expertise. Last but not least, we have Vikram Solar, a prominent solar module manufacturer and integrated solar energy solutions provider in India. Vikram Solar specializes in manufacturing solar PV modules and offers engineering, procurement, and construction (EPC) services, as well as operations and maintenance (O&M) services for solar power plants. Established in 2006, headquartered in Kolkata. Annual manufacturing capacity of 3.5 gigawatts. Presence in over 32 countries worldwide. filed draft red herring prospectus for an IPO in March 2022 to raise 1,500 crore rupees. Financial highlights of Vikram Solar for FY 2020 to 21. Total income, 1,594.28 crore rupees. Profit after tax, 37.14 crore rupees. A market cap 7,059 crore rupees, based on unlisted share price of 250 rupees per share. Vikram Solar has established itself as a leading player in the Indian solar energy industry, with a strong focus on innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction. Its upcoming IPO is expected to further strengthen its position in the market. Those were profiles of 5 of the top solar panel manufacturers in India that are publicly listed on the stock exchanges. As you can see, most of these companies have ambitious expansion plans aided by funds raised through IPOs and equity issuances. The Indian solar manufacturing industry is poised for strong growth driven by domestic demand from utility and rooftop projects, as well as potential export opportunities. However, competition remains intense, with cheap imports still holding a major market share. Investors looking at this sector will need to evaluate each company's technology, cost competitiveness, financial position, and execution capabilities before making investment decisions. But the long-term prospects do look promising for leading players that can successfully navigate the challenges. For more in-depth information, I encourage you to check out our comprehensive blog post on energytheory.com. This article not only covers the companies we discussed today, but also explores some of the best solar energy stocks in India. You can find the link to this blog post in the description below. If you found this video informative and would like to stay updated on the latest developments in the renewable energy sector, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us create more engaging and insightful content.